Recently, there is one maybe interaction program organized by Bharatiya Janata Party at Hamban Sanglen, that is called BJP office, on 14th of January 2025. In that meeting, Honorable Chief Minister Mr. N. Biren Singh mentioned any member who may be planned, it may be rumor or not, this ensuing assembly session, if any member move no confidence motion that cannot be able to move the motion, and in the event of any member move this type of no confidence motion, even they cannot stay in their respective house. People will rush him. Like that, he mentioned it is uncivilized and unbecoming of a leader. It should not be said like that. It is our right, privilege of the honorable member that given by the Constitution, under Constitution, it's in every step. They have their own rule of procedure and conduct of business. So we will fully exercise our right, which is given by the Constitution. In that matter, we acknowledge and we inform the Honorable Governor, please advise to the concerned state government, particularly Chief Minister, if something goes wrong during the assembly session, this is sole responsibility of the state government. Only this much we discuss with the Honorable Governor. That already fixed on us. Honorable Governor already summoned. This will begin start from 10th of this month. We will decide with our honorable members. We will decide this.